people into that event from all over the world, and majority of them come from all the rural segments, and they do and actually create various art forms in the competition in the event. And if Srini can quickly brief in short about that before we conclude.
Yeah, very quick. I promise you will not take more time, but I'll try to cover maximum in that. So Abai had been doing this annual events for quite a long time, but it used to be on a very small gathering. 2016, I think, when we did Abai Fest and Summit, that was the next benchmark that we created in the country, which the government noticed. And 2017 is when the then IT minister suggested that let's brand it along with that brand Bengaluru, because it was very popular and catching up at that part of time. The intention was to make Bengaluru as the animation hub, or showcase Bengaluru as the animation capital of the country, kind of a scenario we wanted to create. So we had this Bengaluru GAFX 2017 as the first event in that series. And in this event, it had everything happening, right from conferences to seminars to panel discussions to screenings to the B2B, two other sub-events that I would like to add to this. So the B2B event and an Elevate event. Quickly, in one line, I would explain what it is. Coming back to GAFX, GAFX was an event which showcased that India could make something, make a big property in terms of event in this AVG sector, because it showcased that you could have everything under one roof. We had 8 tracks running at the same time, parallelly over 4 days, including a B2B, including first time ever competitions happening there, both on the digital and the traditional. You had people, artists painting on canvas. You had people doing digital painting on the system. You had people sculpting in clay. You had people 3D modeling here. So it was all happening at the same time. So you had we had created a platform which showcased the artists in both the traditional and the digital forms, and showcasing the immense talent that we have. So along with this, we also had this B2B summit. B2B summit, where we used to bring in buyers from all over the world, and we had studios. And this is very important. I would like to mention that we didn't stop ourselves only within Karnataka. This was open to all the studios across the country. In fact, I remember a couple of studios coming from Sri Lanka, as far as Sri Lanka, for the B2B summit, or from a couple of other countries. These people were allowed to pitch their ideas. This was purely a Karnataka government-sponsored event, but it was open to the entire country. It was not. So that's one initiative that we took, which reached to every nook and corner. So we had about almost 250 studios applying from across the country, out of which 100 studios were selected and were allowed to pitch on that day, to about 20 plus buyers. I think it was about even more, 40 buyers across the world, over a span of one whole day. And managing that networking or that connection, the matchmaking, was a huge challenge, because we had to connect these people to without any hindrances. And this was done because of an effective team in place. And along with GAFX and B2B, there's another event called Elevate, which doesn't happen with GAFX or B2B, but it's a parallel event, which happens a little later with the Bangalore Tech Summit, but where Abai plays a very prominent part. Again, there, what we do is animation gets a prominent place there. We give a idea to POC grant of 50 lakhs, which is to just create from the paper stage to the teaser or the trailer stage. We pay them 50 lakhs for one studio. And after that POC is done, they get the chance, they get the go-to-market funds from the government. They go to the markets, and when they generate interest from buyers or from across the world, they are again coming back, and they can again apply for a further grant of up to 5 crores. This all comes out of the policy. So if you see, even the startup development has been taken care within the policy. So that happens through Elevate, which is again another event apart from GAFX and B2B. So all in all,
Thanks.
These 3 events, along with an event called Digital Art Symposium, everything brings together the ecosystem. Sorry for taking more time.
No, amazing. In fact, you are a true articulator, and I think very well summarized, because I wanted people from Orissa, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh to learn about it, even Tamil Nadu. And I'm sure we missed people from West Bengal, the studios and our colleagues who could come from West Bengal, Northeast, NCR region, Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Punjab, Haryana. and soon we will have J&K studios